everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Friday! So, andito kami ngayon sa clinic ng pediatrician ni Zayda and Zelda. Appointment kayo ni Zelda, 1 month. Check appointment niya. So, dito na lang kami nag-aantay ni Zayda sa loob ng sasakyan kasi ayaw na ni Mr. dalhin si Zayda doon sa loob kasi nga, di ba? Nung nagkasakit siya nung nakaraan, talagang kinabahan kami doon. So, para makaiwas na din, kasi hindi natin alam, di ba, baka nakuha niya yung sakit doon, or totoong ang nabati doon sa sementeryo. So, yun, iniingatan na lang din namin. Yes, that's bubble. Where did you get that? Where did you get the bubbles? Na, meron siyang nahanap na
open it?
Do you want Mama to open it? Do you want Mama to make bubbles? Finish your food first. I'm just gonna make some bubbles. I'm gonna blow bubbles. Ayaw mabuksan. Say hello everyone. Say hello everyone. Mama's gonna. Wow! Ay. Bigay ito dyan sa sa clinic. Pag pumupunta kami dyan, lagi binibigyan si Zayda ng bubbles o kaya yung ibang mga laruan. Pero ito yung lagi namin kinukuha. Kasi ito yung favorite ni Zayda, mga bubbles. Yay! Oops, oops. Don't go outside. Stay inside. Here. Wow! Bubbles! Is it nice? Wow! Ayan, kumakain ng snacks si Zayda. What's that? Cheerios? Is that Cheerios? Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy. Uh-oh, I dropped my toy. This is the uh-oh song. Oh, what are you doing? Oopsie! Oopsie. What do you want? The squish? Oh, the pink one. The pink car. Ito yung yard dito sa clinic. Pwede nga raw kami dito maglakad-lakad, sabi nung pediatrician ni Zayda kasi naman siya, parte siya nung clinic nila kaso ang init eh. Tapos minsan may mga dyan, bunny rabbit, nakakatuwa. Laki ng yard.
What's that?
Minsan hindi ko maintindihan itong sinasabi ni Zayda eh. Dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. If you know something new, let's do the happy dance. Tama ba yung lyrics ko? Parang mali. Favorite na nito ngayon si Elmo. Mas gusto na niya si Elmo kaysa kay Miss Rachel. Happy dance. You wanna watch Elmo or Miss Rachel? Elmo. Okay, we're gonna watch Elmo next time. Is it yummy? Can you give Mama some? Thank you. Eat. Is that funny? Where's Zelda? Do you know where Zelda and Dada is? They are inside the clinic. What's the name of your baby sister? Say Zelda. Zelda. Baby, what's the name of your baby sister? Is it Zelda?
Oh.
mga kalat dito, mga laruan ni Zayda. So, andito kami sa park and ride, guys. So, yun nga, ang bilis ng check-up ni Zelda. Wala pang 30 minutes. And, pinapansin ko dito, madami sa mga park and ride na yan. Parang nagugutom na si Zelda. Patindihin ko nga ito. Zelda! What? Oh, what? Dahin ko na si Zelda. Dito kami sa Burger King, guys. Dapat sa McDonald's kami, kaso ang haba ng pila. Ping. Is she pooping? Can you clean her up? Do you wanna go to the playground? Hazira. Ayan, tingnan natin.
Can I have a minute, please?
Yep, let me know when you're ready.
Two number
Oh,
fives.
baby, it's pooping.
What size?
Large. One with a mango peach.
Dito kami ulit, guys, sa may elementary school, sa may playground. Dinala namin si Zayda kasi gustong-gusto niya dito, yung slide na yan. Tapos ito naman si Baby Zelda, natutulog. Wala pang tao dito kasi summer break pa din. And yun, kaya dinadala namin dito si Zelda kasi nga wala naman tao. So yung risk na makakuha ng sakit is medyo mababa lang. Gusto ni Zayda dyan. Ay, nagsiswing naman si Zayda at ang dada niya. Dito lang ako kay Baby Zelda, bantay sa kanya. Ganda dito kasi napaka-peaceful ng lugar. Oh no! Enjoy na to si Zayda. Si Zayda. Love, how is it going back to your old elementary school?
Creepy.
Huh?
Creepy.
Why? Ay, nako. Ayaw pa-interview. La, why is it creepy? Is this how it looks like when you were still studying here?
Kind of.
Even the playground?
Yeah, maybe that's why it's creepy, because it's very similar.
Really? It never changed? For this was, you said 30 years ago?
The toys are different.
Mom. Let's run. There's a butterfly.
Bakit nun si Zeta?
Get a lot of views because you're pressing slow.
Whatever. Ayun si Zeta. Where is she? Ayun doon sa ilalim.
Playing with pine cones, she's gonna be all sticky.
Ha?
She's gonna be all sticky. Pine cones. How'd she learn pine? Not a toy.
Naiiyak na si baby.
Look at this.
What moss?
Soft. This is moss.
Moss.
Not that mossy. There's other
What's that, baby? Is that a pine cone?
Paco.
What is that, baby? What's that?
Paco.
Pine cone. How many pine cones do you have? Count. 1.
2.
Oh, no.
2. 1.
1,
2.
2. 2 pine cone. Halika, you wanna go home na? We'll just become
Paco.
Hey, Pi, we're gonna go have ice cream. Let's go have ice cream.
When.
We're gonna go get ice cream.
When.
Ayun, so uwi na kami. Kasi si Zelda ay nagmumuryot na. Si Zeta nagpapahabol. No. You're not allowed to be there. Come on na. Go home naman. Go home. Let's go home. Go home. Naku, ayaw po umuwi.